Look at the world's most advanced enterprises. They innovate in almost everything they do. They hire thousands of people across hundreds of roles every single quarter. And yet, the engine they use to actually find that talent hasn't fundamentally changed in 20 years. Here's what hiring looks like inside most enterprises today. Resumes arrive by email. They get pasted into spreadsheets. Feedback lives in Slack threads that disappear. Interview notes sit in someone's notebook. And candidates? Candidates wait. They apply. They hear nothing. They follow up. Still nothing. 75% of candidates never receive a single response. Not a rejection, not a no, just silence. But here's the part that should bother every talent leader in this room. Your company has already found great people. They applied to you 6 months ago, a year ago, for a different role at a different time. Some of them got to the final round. Some almost got offers. Some withdrew because the timing wasn't right. They're sitting in your system right now, hundreds of them, sometimes thousands, sometimes 100,000. And when a new role opens, your team starts from scratch, as if those people never existed. That is the most expensive problem in hiring, not finding new candidates, forgetting the ones you already found. We started Keelzo with a simple belief. What if your hiring system remembered? Not just stored resumes, not just tracked applications, but actually understood who's in your pipeline and surfaced the right people at the right moment without anyone having to search. That's not a feature. That's a fundamentally different way to hire. Keelzo replaces the 7 tools your team stitches together every day: the spreadsheet tracker, the email chains, the calendar coordination, the ATS that nobody trusts, the job boards you post to one by one, the notes app where interview feedback goes to die. All of it gone. One intelligent platform, one source of truth for every job, every candidate, every decision. Watch what happens when a recruiter posts a new role. Keelzo doesn't wait for new applicants. It searches everyone who's ever been in your system: past applicants, rejected candidates, talent pool, people who visited your career page but never applied. In 22 seconds, 6 matches, scored, ranked, with clear reasons why each one fits. One of them declined your offer 8 months ago. One asked to be recontacted this quarter. One is a former employee who left and gained exactly the experience you now need. Your ATS didn't know this. Keelzo does. And we don't give you a number and ask you to trust it. Every score is broken down across 6 dimensions: skills, experience, seniority, industry, education, career stability. When your hiring manager asks why this candidate, you don't say, "I had a feeling." You show them the data. Defensible decisions in seconds, not gut feel, not guesswork, intelligence. Every action is tracked, every candidate is informed, every team member sees the same truth. No candidate gets ghosted, no feedback gets lost, no hiring manager asks, "Where are we with this person?" Because the answer is always right here. This isn't about replacing your ATS. This isn't about adding another tool to your stack. This is about a question every enterprise talent leader needs to answer. Do you want a system that stores candidates or one that finds them? Do you want a process that tracks applications or one that makes better decisions? Do you want to keep starting from scratch or do you want your hiring to have a memory? That's the difference Keelzo was built to make.